Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Here, come. Okay, you guys are crazy. You cannot run around, okay? Let's go. Come on, Rooney. Henry, what's going on? Oh, Bruno. Henry. Henry is excited. Can you hear him? Yeah, so yeah, he gets excited. So it is Memorial Day weekend. We're a little bit late for our trail, but thank goodness no people are here. And I thought about a lot of people asking me about, since it is Memorial Day, we have many subscribers who have lost a pet. And if you want to, you can send us a picture with the name of your dog and what made him special. And I put the email in the description. If you send me a picture before Memorial Day, that means today or tomorrow, of your dog with the name, just one thing that makes him special, then I put in together on Monday a memorial page for all the dogs who went over the Rainbow Bridge and all the dogs and pets who are playing with Gordy on the other side. So just let me know. And if I get in many, well, just let me know and I'll put them up. And then we get to see everybody else's Pugs. They were loved and they're not with us anymore. Come on, Bruno. Come on, Rooney. We're going to the water. Come on, boys. Come on. You can do it. Shh. Come on, you can do it. Come. Henry, of course, he cannot even get that step down. He has to have help. And off they go again. There's one more. Here, Henry. He can do this one. Ooh, lots of water. Rooney, come. Let's go to the daddy. Don't even think about it.
Hey, this way. Come here.
Go. You can go down there. Come on, I help you. Come on, I help you. Good boy. Yeah, Rooney likes the water. He wants to get in. That's his focus. We are almost there. Here, this way. Come, Pugs next. Yep, be determined. Rooney is a water boy. Loves the water. Here! Come back here! Bruno tried. He's like, yeah, no, maybe not. Come on! Bruno, no. But Rooney does like the water. The little water boy. And of course Henry says maybe I should like the water too. Rooney likes it.
This way. Hey, come here.
Here.
Come here.
This way.
Bruno.
This way. Mama will jump in and save him. He's okay, so. Bruno really is not that much impressed with water. It's really Rooney. Anyway, we'll just go in there because Rooney is. Rooney. Yes, he's like, huh?
Over here. Come.
He's just super excited. Are you super excited? Rooney, you gonna go in there? Or you gonna go pee? I'm gonna go in there a little bit more. He's trying. He's like, yeah, well, maybe not. Rooney, that's not the way. Come on this way. Henry, you need to stop talking. He has not stopped. He's just so excited he can't help himself. Rooney keeps going over there. Rooney, come! You cannot go over there, come. This is not the way. The way is over here. Yeah, and that's deep. Come back here this way. Good, smart boy. What is it? Henry, what is it? Huh? What is going on? Bruno all of a sudden started digging in the mud. Wonder if he's seen something. Come on, Bruno. Let's go. Come. Something.
Come on, let's go. Bruno. Bruno, come. Let's go.
You're not a fisher dog. Let's go.
Bruno.
Come on.
Bruno, come. Let's go. Come on, keep going.
Henry needs help. Oh, my poor baby. So we put Rooney on the leash because he's keeps going to the water. And if he goes across here, then there's street on the other side. Not really, there's a little road where people come down here, but it's too dangerous for me. Yeah, my beautiful little puppy. It's a water puck. It's a nice area. It's close to the house. And while it's still cool in the mornings, we can do it.